Hello, friends. Welcome to the third video in our marketing series. Today, we're going to talk about how to reach and market your product to your main customers: home cooks, restaurants, food manufacturers, hotels, hostels and retailers. Let's start with your spices powder. Are you ready to sell them? First, begin by offering them in small local shops or to local wholesalers. Give away free samples to customers to get them excited about the great quality and flavor. Ensure your prices and packaging appeal to them. This approach helps you understand families, home cooks, restaurants, food manufacturers, hotels, hostels and retailers and their families like, and ensure that they see your spices powder as good value and attractive. It also allows you to build a regular customer base, improve your powder based on feedback, and discover your strengths and areas for improvement. Delivery is crucial, especially to keep your spices powder fresh, which is a major concern for customers. Plan your delivery routes wisely. For instance, you might visit shops in the east on Monday, then those in the north on Tuesday, and so on. Further, as a new brand, it's important to make yourself known. If you're delivering the spices powder yourself, consider branding your vehicle with your spices powder logo. It's a fantastic way to catch the attention of home cooks, restaurants, food manufacturers, hostels and retailers. Furthermore, you can't just wait for customers. You need to actively promote your spices powder. Offer attractive deals to shopkeepers to encourage them to promote your product over your competitors. When you notice that people really like your product, it's time to think bigger. Aim to sell in larger areas by partnering with wholesaler distributors who can distribute your spices powder to bigger stores. But approach this step by step. Ensure you're successful locally before trying to expand further. Remember, wholesalers and distributors handle large volumes, and you can supply these volumes only once your product and processes are stable. So, take your time to establish yourself locally before reaching out to regional wholesalers and distributors. Do not forget to showcase your spices powder on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Stay engaged with your audience through regular posts, fun polls, and contests. You might also want to consider using Google Ads or social media ads to quickly reach more people. Think about partnering your spices powder with other products that appeal to home cooks, restaurants, food manufacturers, hotels, hostels and retailers, all types of cooking spices items. With these focused strategies, you are doing more than just selling a product. You are building a brand that families will love. Good luck in the exciting world of spices powder. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel.